I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin, and this is Microsoft Excel practical number 6. So these are the skills we are going to gain after this video. So entering data into a spreadsheet, working with formulas, worksheet formatting, and also saving. So let us go to our question number 6 or practical number 6. So which is this table we are seeing here? I think we are seeing the table here. Names set, set 2, set 1, this is set 2, this is total average grade. So they are saying that calculate the total mark for each student. Calculate the average marks for the students. Using the if statement, assign grades to students using their averages in a way that average above 70, assign D1, and then D2 like that, and the rest an F. So differentiate those who have passed from those who have failed in a way that if a person has average above 50, then that person has passed, otherwise failed. Save your work as student results in a folder called school. So let us go on and create this and answer and attempt this question. So we will click on start to open up Microsoft Excel. So we go to Microsoft Office, we come to Microsoft Office here, then we open Microsoft Excel 2007. So we will have our workbook opened for us with worksheets. So let us begin entering the data. So we have name, set 1. So we come here and type their name, then set 1, set 1. We will have also set 2, total, set 2, then total, then average, and also we have grade. We have also grade. So we come in the section of names. We have Sophia, Beth, Sophia, we have Beth, then we have Sophia, Beth, Paula, Aisha, Aisha. Then we also have Paula, Aisha, Grace, Sarah, Grace, Sarah. Then we have Kante, we have Kante, Tin, we have Val, then we also have Pire. Then we come to our set 1, 59, 62, 59, 62, 46, 85, 46, 85, 60, 68, 72, 62, then also 85, 10, 10. Then in set 2, we have 65, 50, 65, 50. Then we also have 70, 68, 70, 68, 70, 68. Then we have 49, 73, 49, 73. Then we also have 45, 60, 45, 60, 60, 90. So we have finished entering our data. So that is 60, 60, 90. So we have to start on calculate the total mark for each student. So they want us to calculate the total mark for each student. So we come to total, put the equal signs, sum. We select this range up to here. We close the brackets, press enter. So this is the total of these marks. We use the autofill feature, find the rest. So they are saying that one is done. Calculate the average marks for the students. So we say equal signs, average, we open brackets. We select again the range, which is this, close the brackets and press enter. So we use the autofill to find for the rest. I think these ones now are simple. Those who have been following and these who are new, and if you are a new, my friend, continue and go back to the previous videos and watch. These things will be very simple the more you do practice. So let us go to the next. The next is saying that using the if statement, assign grades to students using their averages in a way that average above 70, assign a D1. So we are going to come here. And say equal signs. Now we use if. So if, open brackets, we are going to be selecting if average. Are they saying that we use average? Using the averages, yes. If average is above 70, so meaning that if E2 is greater than 70, award this person a D1, meaning that D1 should be in quotes. Sorry for that. So we come back. So they are saying that if average here, so if E2 is greater than 70, then we will award this person a D1. Okay. Then comma, we are going to put there a comma. If, again, we open another if brackets, then we again say if this average is greater or equal to, they are saying that then 65 to 70, a D2, meaning that a person from the range 65 to 70 should be awarded a D2. So we are going to come to, yes, muri dakika nka 15 muri dakika nka 15 nibyo nize. So they are saying that a person with 65 to 70 should be awarded a D2. So we are going to say greater than 65, this one, comma, award this person a D2. Then I put again a comma, then I say if, I open another bracket, this one, comma, if this one is greater than, the other one was 65, then now I will use 55. So 55 here. So I will come to 55 and say if greater than 55, if this one is greater than 55, then comma, award this person a CD. I think I'm good. Then comma, if, again we again say if we open brackets, this one, this average, then greater than 55, then greater than 50, we are going to give him a C4. 50, then comma, then we give this person a C4. Close quotations. We again say if, then we open the bracket. And say again come to this, then comma, then this one greater than, after a C4 we are having a C5, and comma, award this person a C5, then close, comma, then the rest, because we don't have that range here, the rest should be an F. So we come here and say F and give and close our F. So we will count the number of ifs that we have opened, and those are the number of brackets we are going to close at the end. So we come here and count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will have 5 brackets closing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we must be having 5 brackets closing. So after doing that, we press enter. So if we have now this one, C3, let us first see C3 62. In which category is it? 63, 62. So they are saying that D1 from this one. So they awarded this person with a C3. So if E2 is greater than 55, award this person a C3, meaning that if this person scored marks greater than 55, should be having a credit 3, which is this. If we use the auto calculation feature to find for the rest, we find the D1s and the rest. So that is how we find the grades of these people using if statement. Then let us see. Differentiate those who have passed from those who have failed in a way that if a person has averaged above 50, then that person has passed, otherwise failed. Differentiate those who have passed from those who have failed in a way that if a person has average 50, then that person has passed. So average 50. So we are going to have a certain column. We are going to have a column here whereby we are going to say equal signs if open brackets, then we select average, this one again average, then is greater than or equal to 50, comma, then we open quotes and put there the value of the statement of the condition. We are going to say passed, then we close quotations, then we put a comma and put what will be the output in case this statement is wrong. So we put there failed, meaning that all those people who have scored average that is below 50 will have a comment failed, whereas those who have scored 50 and above will have passed. Then we close the brackets. So let me come back here. Differentiate those who have passed from those who have failed in a way that if a person has average above 50, meaning that the average should not be equal to 50, but at least should be starting from 51, then that person has passed, otherwise failed. So I will come back here and remove this equal sign, meaning that to pass you have to have got 51 and above. But if you have 50, you have failed. Okay, so let us press enter. So meaning that this one has passed because his average is 62 and is above 50. So let us scroll down. So passed. We only have one person called Fire who has failed because he has 50. Okay. So now let us continue. Save your work as student results in a folder called school. So student results. So we come here, click save as. Then on the save as dialog box, save it on document. So they have said that the file name should be student results. Then remember they told us to save it in a folder, so we are going to get a new folder here, new folder called school, and we will open this folder called school. We click on open for it, open. Then in a folder called school, it is where we are going to save our student results. So we click save. And now our information is saved. So if we want to see it, we can close everything. And now we see our folder called school already created on our desktop. Then we double click to open it. After double clicking, we will see our file called student results. So if we double click also in student results, our file will be opened. So I think you all see our information here, what we have been. So my dear friend, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for studying with us at PalmOps Foundation, and continue to like, continue to share, continue to comment, and continue to subscribe, and we make computing easier. I'm your friend Ahebwa Martin, PalmOps Foundation. Bye for now.